NASA DARES Community Update at AGU, Astrobiology. As part of AGU's programming lineup, the NASA Astrobiology program will present a NASA DARES Community Update on Thursday, December 18, 2025, from 6 to 8 p.m. Central Standard Time at the Hyatt Regency New Orleans. This session will deliver a thorough progress report on the development of the NASA Decadal Astrobiology Research and Exploration Strategy, NASA DARES, and offer a preview of key elements for the upcoming Task Force 2 activities. Specifically, the meeting will review progress from the Request for Information, RFI, Task Force 1 synthesis, and the RFI Findings Workshop. Introduce selected NASA DARES Task Force 2 ex officio members, co-chairs, and focus area leads. Explain the process and timeline for selecting general members and executive secretaries, with decisions continuing into early 2026. Highlight opportunities for community involvement as we advance toward finalizing the strategy in 2026. The session will close with an open Q&A featuring astrobiology program leadership and the NASA DARES Task Force 2 co-chairs, Dr. Kathy Mandt, NASA Goddard Space Flight Center, and Dr. Robin Wordsworth, Harvard University. For community members who cannot attend in person, a recording will be made available and posted on the NASA DARES webpage after AGU. NASA DARES Task Force 2 ex officio members, from left to right: Eve Berger, NASA Johnson Space Center, Focus Area 1, Aaron Burton, NASA Headquarters, Focus Area 2, Jessica Lee, NASA Ames Research Center, Focus Area 3, Kelsey Bisson, NASA Headquarters, Focus Area 4, Mary Beth Wilhelm, NASA Ames Research Center, Focus Area 5, Nikki Parento, NASA Ames Research Center, Focus Area 6, Robin Ferguson, NASA Ames Research Center and NASA Headquarters, Focus Area 7, Melissa Curvenbrooks, NASA Ames Research Center, Focus Area 8, Becky McCauley Wrench, NASA Headquarters, Focus Area 9, Daniela Scalise, NASA Ames Research Center, ex officio support for Focus Area 9. NASA DARES Task Force 2 leadership, co-chairs shown bottom left: Robin Wordsworth, Harvard University, and Kathleen Mandt, NASA Goddard Space Flight Center. The leadership also includes Focus Area leaders: Lauren Williams, Georgia Tech, Focus Area 1, Maitree Bose, Arizona State University, Focus Area 2, Carl Stapelfelt, Jet Propulsion Laboratory, Caltech, Focus Area 3, Charity Phillips Lander, Southwest Research Institute, Focus Area 4, Aaron Regberg, NASA Johnson Space Center, Focus Area 5, Morgan Cable, Planetary Science Institute, Focus Area 6, Diana Gentry, NASA Ames Research Center, Focus Area 7, Christina Rishi, SETI Institute, Focus Area 8, Sarah Yo, University of Utah, Focus Area 9. Additional general member and executive secretary selections are still underway, and applicants can expect notification in the coming weeks. Astrobiology.